Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will try to learn about TMR timers in Delta PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our WPLSoft software and here we will create one new project. For an example, yes. First of all, here you can give the program title. If you know like to give, that's your choice. And here you have to be choose your model. Which model you have, for example, that's you can choose. This SA model is supported to this TT timers. Also, I will tell you in the manual of this PLC where we can use this timers. Because of this, all timers and datas will be not matched in one model. This is different models are different purpose. So first of all we will take it at one bit, for example LDX0 LDX0 for execution, and here next we will write just in the TMR D0 and K0. First I will write, after I will explain you what's the meaning of this TTMR and D0 and K0. And next we will choose the command of LD greater than D0 is K1, K10, sorry, K10, and click enter. And after out we will take Y0, for example, for see the function, and compile the program and write to the PLC and start the simulation. He is asking for COM port. You have to must be first set your communication setting and go to here you check your COM port, and after data length and all parameters, and here station address you have to be must choose. This is I will put 0 and click it OK. Now your communication is OK. Now again make it simulation and wait for a second and again download to the PLC. Again we have to be check what's the problem in communication setting, COM port 6 and station address 0, to detect, click it OK. Sometimes this is giving error, but don't worry, no problem. Default ASCII baud rate 9600 and click it OK, and again write to the PLC. Sorry, we not make the on simulator because of this simulator. When if we not on, after this is communication will be trouble. Want to download the current program. So now it's downloading and it's online running. Because of we are using offline, this is simulator, not a online direct physical PLC. Because of this model is which model I have available. This is 14SS2, but this is 14SS2 not supported to this timer. So now see, for example, I make it this X0 executes, and that D0 time will not have to be make it in run condition PLC. When we make it in run condition, after our timer will be start. Now you can see this is the timer is running, and as it's completed his time 10, which is we write in the uh, compare command, after our output will be on. So I will make it set off and also the simulation, and now I explain to you. This is the timer function is what. See, this is go in the manual, and here you can see this is the TTMR. What he says, device number of storing the on time of the time occupies two continuous devices. But he says TTMR timer, when in the write you D, and in the N when you write the value, when N equal is 0, the unit of D equals with seconds. This is when you write 0, after this will be gives you the in time base seconds. And when you write in the unit of N 100, and 1 write in the N, this N, and after you write 100, you will get 100 milliseconds time. And if you write in the N just 2, after you will be get 10 milliseconds time. So we will make the practical. For example, this is K0. Now we will use K1. Now we'll use K1, and here we have to be change K100 we will be write, because of this is 100 milliseconds time. 100 we have to be write 1, yes, 110 milliseconds, and compile the program. Sorry, we not download first. First we have to be download. Now you can see this is the K1. This is the in seconds. We write in 100. K100. This is 100 seconds after complete his time. 10 seconds after complete his time. Can see. Set off. Again I will make it on. And if you write, for example, if you write here K2, if you write K2, after this you will be get 100 milliseconds time. Oh, sorry, 10 milliseconds time. See, it's very fast, 10 milliseconds. And here if you like to be have to be write 1000. For 10 milliseconds you have to be write here 1000. After you will get the 10 milliseconds time. Compile again and write to the PLC. Make it simulation on. Now you see it's very fast running. This TTMR timer you will get 3 base times, and after 10 milliseconds your output will be energized. Then again you stop, and when you again on, after this time will be start from 0. So I hope guys you will be understand about this TT timers. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.